What's up, my CreditReport Capital crew? This is Renata with CreditReport Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that we put out on every single Wednesday. Now, today we're going to talk about businesses that you can actually start right now, and that I'm doing as well. So, without further ado, let's begin. Okay, you guys, now the information I'm about to give you, you need to take heed of it, okay? Because I don't know how long it's going to be around, and I don't know how long you're going to be able to do it. But the first thing that you need to do is make sure that you get your credit right, because of the fact that if you want to get your credit right, you can actually get into these businesses. Okay, even if you don't have your credit, you can still get into them, but you want to be able to utilize the information that they give you. Okay, so I put it in the link in the description of the jobs that you can actually get to what get you to where you need to be. Okay, and then I'll also put in my referral code as well. So the first one is business is credit repair. If you know someone that wants to be their own business owner, excuse me, y'all. Y'all know my baby always be interrupted when I be doing a video. So if you want to own your own business, credit repair is a great way where you can actually go ahead and you can work from home, and you can actually get clients through Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, whatever platform that you're wanting to use, or word of mouth. Use your personal as well as business. And then also the second company that you will want to do is sleepm.net. It's a mattress company. I'll give you my referral code, or you could just call me. I'll put my number down in the chat as well, and then you can actually go ahead and I can actually get you some information about it. Okay, now the Sleep M is a mattress. Let's say if you have arthritis, if you have lower back pain, if you have neck and shoulder pain, if you are diabetic, if you have any symptoms, if you just have completely body ache, or you just can't get enough sleep, you're always tired, check out the sleepm.net. Okay. You can actually go online, you can actually put in my information, or I can actually call me and we can get on the phone and we can actually do it together. Okay, now those are the actually businesses that I have that you can actually go ahead and you can actually start today and getting your credit right, or using your own or starting your own credit repair company. And then you can actually get you some sleep, get you this mattress that you can actually stop hurting, because they had these pods come out, but they're not out yet, and this is the next best thing to it. Okay, so make sure y'all call me, text me, DM me, whatever, to get this information, and I'm also gonna put it in the chat. So if you're interested, please get with me. Okay, and also make sure you follow us on all platforms as well. Okay, thank you so much for watching. My name is Renata. This is CreditReport Capital. Be you, be true, and let's keep moving forward, and I'll see you on the next video.